Hello, my dear students. In this video, we talk about tenses of English grammar. As you know, tenses they are very important part of the grammar, and if we know proper tenses, how to make them, then it is very easy to do all the problems based on tenses in exams. First of all, let us divide tenses into present, past, and future. This is very easy way to learn tenses. Simply make this chart and revise two or three times. You are able to form the correct form of tense. As you know, from lower classes to plus 2, during exams, question based on tenses are there. So it is very important to know regarding tenses. Divide all the tenses present, past, future in simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Underline. First of all, the first column is of simple present, simple past, and simple future. Then present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Similarly, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. And last, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Now start this with formula. In simple present, listen carefully. Subject plus first form of verb. And if the subject is singular, then plus first form of verb plus s or es. And if the subject is plural, then simply we add first form of verb. Very simple formula. Subject plus first form of verb. For example, he. Now he is singular subject. He sings. S is there. Then plural, I sing. Okay, simply first form of verb. Very simple, simple present. Next, present continuous, am plus first form of verb plus ing. Is oblique are is used in continuous tense. For example, am go with I am singing. He is singing. Now he is singular. He is singing. They, plural word, they are singing. Okay, am is oblique are plus first form of verb plus ing. Next is perfect tense, very easy. Has or have plus third form of the verb, that is past participle. For example, I have, for plural things we use have. I have sung. He, singular, he has sung. Again plural, they have sung. Sing, sang, sung. Sung is the third form of the verb. In perfect continuous, has or have been plus first form of the verb plus ing. For example, I have been singing. He is plural. He has been singing. Very simple. They have been singing. In this way, you come to know how to write simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. I am giving you formulas plus examples. So it is very easy to make the tenses. Now come to the next part, simple past. Subject plus second form of the verb. For example, I sang. What is the second form of sing? Sang. He sang. Very easy. Second form of the verb comes in simple past. In simple, in continuous, past continuous, subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing. For example, I was singing. Here was go with I. Now for singular, he was singing. Now plural, they were singing. Now past perfect tense. Listen carefully. In past perfect tense, had plus third form of the verb. Very simple tense. Simply remember had plus third form of verb. For example, I had sung. He had sung. They had sung. This is past perfect. Now past perfect continuous. Here had been plus verb की first form, then plus ing. Had been plus first form of verb and ing. For example, I had been singing. He had been singing. We had been singing. If I am saying We have been singing, that is present perfect continuous. But here in past perfect continuous, we had been singing. Now the last one, future. In simple future tense, always remember that subject plus shall be, shall or will. Okay? Subject plus shall oblique will plus first form of the verb. For example, I shall sing. I will sing, I shall sing. Then next is future continuous, shall be plus first form of the verb plus ing. For example, I shall be singing. Now next, future perfect. In future perfect tense, shall or will plus has or have plus third form of verb. Same like present perfect. Future perfect is very much similar to present perfect, only difference is in shall or will. I shall have sung. Now in future perfect continuous, shall or will plus has or have, just like present perfect continuous, been. Just compare the present perfect continuous and future. Both are likely to be same. The difference is only in shall or will, which is not present in present perfect continuous. Rest of the formula is same. For example, I shall have been singing. I have been singing, present perfect continuous. I shall have been singing, future perfect continuous. In this way, you see how easily you can learn the tenses. Now take a black sketch, and for your easiness, for distinguishing examples and formulas, we just keep the formulas in learning boxes. Again, while making these boxes, we revise again present subject plus first form of verb. If it is singular, then s or es is added with verb. If it is plural, simply put first form of the verb. Similarly, in continuous, am plus first form of verb plus ing, is or are is used. In perfect, has or have plus second form of the third form of the verb. In perfect tense, has been or have been plus first form of the verb plus ing. In past tense, subject plus second form of the verb. In past continuous, subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing. In past perfect, had plus third form of the verb, very easy. In past perfect continuous, had been plus first form of the verb plus ing. In future, subject plus shall or will plus first form of the verb. In future continuous, shall be, will be plus first form of the verb plus ing. In perfect future, shall or will plus has or have plus verb third form of verb. In last future perfect continuous, shall or will plus has or have been plus first form of verb plus ing. Make this chart, keep in front of your study table, and simply you learn how to make present, past and future tenses. Okay? Definitely this video help you in your exams. See this video. If you like, then share this video with your friends also. Thank you. Have a nice day.